Hello everyone and welcome to our new series, the top deals of the week. In this series we look at deals that we think are really good or worth your time. So do us a favor and click the big red sub button that hurts your eyes because it's not grayed out. Oh, and leave a like for cute baby animals. Anyway, let's hop into the video. If you're in the market for a new monitor, well then you're in luck. This fantastic gaming monitor from ASUS TUF is on sale on the Brightstar Lazada Store for about 26%, going down from 1135 RM to 884 RM. Now, what kind of specs are we talking about with this monitor, and is it worth our time? You be the judge as we go through the specs. The monitor is a 23.8-inch monitor with a 1920 by 1080 resolution with an IPS panel, 1 ms refresh rate, and 165 Hz. Oh yeah, and 2 HDMI ports plus DisplayPort and a 3-year warranty by the manufacturer. This to us is a good deal because normally high-end monitors like this go for around the 1000 range, and there is rarely one under that price range without getting it second-hand, of course. But again, you be the judge. Have a look for yourself with the link in the description. Our next deal is also from Lazada, and that's the Logitech G502 Hero Gaming Mouse. Now, in terms of mouses, Logitech has been one of the most consistent in the market by not only providing mouses for office workers or office work in general, but also gaming mouses. Well, this mouse is for the gamers out there. A little bit about the features of this mouse. It can go up to 16K DPI, has an 11 programmable buttons, tunable weight, and a light sync RGB feature for the people who like a bit of color with their tech products. Now, we recommend this deal just for its price alone. Usually mouses like these tend to go upwards of 200 to 300 RM, but this one is selling for around 189 RM, which is a very good bargain. But we also understand that mouses are a type of personalized tech. It's namely about how it feels to you. But if you're looking for this mouse, we will be leaving the link again in the description. Next up, we have a deal by Gigabyte and their gorgeous AERO 15 gaming laptop with, and here's the best part, a RTX 3060 inside. This piece of a gaming laptop with a i7-11800H CPU and an OLED with a 4K resolution screen. You're probably wondering, how much will this drain my wallet? Well, it's not as bad as you think it is. The original price is around 1,799 USD, which is roughly converted is around 7,613 ringgit. But right now it's selling for 1,399, which is around 5,920 ringgit, just under 6K. Now, before you go and think, well, that's not a good deal at all, it's still a steep price, well, let me tell you why it's a good price. This laptop is a very high-end laptop with all the latest tech. Some people may even call it a baby PC, where its output is similar to that of a PC. So if you're looking for a laptop that can last you a while, this is the one. Plus, the price I gave you is a rough conversion, so it might be even cheaper in the Malaysian market. You never know. Now, this next promotion is, well, from us. We here at Build Digital currently have a promotion for a home office PC for around 1,600 RM. Now, keep in mind this is strictly for office work, so you can't really game on it, but it's a good deal if you're looking for a good PC for family members, or even as a starting PC for a relative who hasn't really used a PC before. Or if you're, stuck at home and you want a better machine. The specs include a Intel Core i3-10100, ASRock H410M-HDV, 8GB of DDR4, 2666 MHz of RAM, 120GB of 2.5 SSD storage, a Thermaltake Light Power 550 watt power supply, and a Seago Tep Prime M case. If you want more details, you can DM us on any of our socials or click the link in the description for our website, which is now available. For Apple users, this promotion is for you guys, as our final promotion is around the Apple Watches. because they are currently at their lowest price point right now. And currently Amazon has the Apple Watch 6 on sale for 250 USD, which is around 1036 RM for us Malaysians, down from 399 USD, which roughly translates to 1655 ringgits. Note that all the watches are currently on sale as of recording this, but the Apple Watch Series 6 Red has the biggest price drop. This price drop is so good, we actually recommend you getting one if you are interested. Again, we will leave a link to the store page down below. Well, that wraps it up for the top deals of the week. Be sure to leave a like if you found a good deal for yourself, and consider subscribing for more videos like this. And while you're down there, leave a comment on any other deals that we may have missed out. Oh, and a quick reminder that these deals are subjugated to stock availability, just in case you go to the page and the deals aren't available or they ran out of stock. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.